Guys, like I mentioned in the video, today we're hunting for the purple ghost. Now I need
and the siren ghost.
No, not siren ghost. That's next videos. That's next video. Right. So set up the security cam. What?
So you to log into it.
Okay. This is not the security camera. Then right here. This. Get away! Get away! Get away!
Can you guys hear that?
What happened to the security camera? I just set up the security camera.
Can you hear that? Guys, can you hear that? Can you hear that?
No, this is not supposed to be happening. The siren head is already here. I can see it. I mean, it's not even supposed to be here yet.
Oh, no, stop. I can see it. No,
you can see the siren head?
Yeah, I can see it because
it's supposed to be for the siren head series.
No,
it's already here.
I can see it because remember in part 2 when we were doing that ghost hunting thing? I got caught by it.
Yeah.
I can see it. So whoever gets caught by it, they get to see the ghost. So I can see the ghost right over by that pylon, and none of you can. So
I almost burped. There you go. There's a one burp.
Oh, this is I'm getting so scared at the minute.
Where is that even coming from?
We should be more scared than this.
This shit, and the security camera is in full volume. That's fully right.
It's scared.
It's talking.
It's scared, isn't it?
Let's get out of there. I'll do this. Go security camera up. While we're searching, you look for it. I'm getting so scared.
Wait, hang on. Can you hear that?
The closer I go to the security camera,
it gets more louder.
Yeah.
So it must be over the house.
Wait, let's go over.
Then that's louder.
Yeah.
So it must be over your house.
What if we go over here?